So check it out. Not too long ago, I saw on one of the Facebook pages someone was using a Lionel 221 to pull their Marx Meteor car, so I thought, hey, that looked pretty good. So recently, this one came up on eBay, and so I picked it up for like $33. It was one of those for parts only, as is, but I took a chance on it. There was a couple of short circuits. One of them was in the headlight wire, and the other one was where the wiper pickup was grounding out against the where the front trucks are mounted to the motor, which was interesting, but I was able to bend it far enough away so that it quit doing that. And I also had to put a new motor mount screw in it. But other than that, I just cleaned it up a little bit, and I got a Marx wedge tender behind it. So this is kind of a Larx version of the New York Central 20th Century Limited. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. It's a real smooth, quiet runner, and a lot of these smaller Lionel engines look good with the Marx cars. I'm thinking it might look good with my American Flyer pre-war cars that I did too, and maybe even the Polar Express ones. And we'll pick the camera up, kind of follow it around a little bit. And now we can set the camera back down. These engines look so much like a Dreyfuss Hudson to me. It's just too bad that Lionel didn't put the proper wheel configuration. But it's pretty close, and hey, I like it. Alright, the EU unit works good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a real smooth runner, and it's kind of fun to mix and match, especially these, as I said before, these smaller Lionel engines look good with a lot of the Marx cars. So thanks again for watching. God bless, never forget, Jesus is Lord.